Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at gold and the dollar once again after we've seen a bearish channel confirmed with gold. We're looking for the break of 1930, 1928, this kind of area to open up the next possibility of another test back down to 1900. The last time we saw this was a few sessions ago, of course, where we saw a bounce back up to 1985. But since then, we've got this V-shaped recovery for bears, especially that's seeing the yellow metal start sinking quite dramatically at the moment. With good NFP readings last Friday and also decent unemployment rate happening in America, we've seen more of a push on the dollar, and obviously we've got the Fed's next interest rate decision expected to kind of be subdued, meaning that the American economy is getting back on track, avoiding a recession, and most importantly getting this soft landing that has been kind of in the realm of, not in the realm of possibility for the last year or so. If we look back at this time last year, we were supposedly going to be in a recession right now, but as you can see, America has pretty much avoided that, and now we're going on to see what the benefits are for gold and the dollar for trading and economists alike. So let's just get right into the charts. I've got it on the daily chart at the moment. Very, very basic because I just want to show you what we're looking at in the near term. So as I said, this last test on 1900 saw this move to the upside, but now as you can see, we're moving below the previous low that we saw roughly about 1940. So now we're trading on the lower end of 1930. If we do break this, we're expected to see this particular area being tested once again, and obviously on the RSI it is going in that direction as well. Not really many divergences to start propelling gold at the moment. If we look on the 4-hour chart, however, a bit of a better, closer look, more of an intraday outlook as well. So I'll just remove these drawings so it's a little bit easier to see. So like I said, going for a pretty much fully fledged V-shaped decline. So since the last time we saw this kind of move on gold, we were looking to see if we're going to have this particular level being broken. We had this false spike not so long ago. This was for the NFP readings, but it was pretty much just a false spike. Prices did start moving up quite dramatically since then, but as you can see from the start of this week and yesterday's trading, we're seeing more of a bearish outlook, a bit more of a sell-off on gold. The impetus is that the dollar is a bit more gifted in the trading environment at the moment, really being bought out. So we're just waiting to see if this particular area is on the limit at the moment, I would say, give or take a few dollars. If it is broken, we'll just be opening up 1900 quite dramatically. A $30 move in the next couple of days is not really out of the question. So just keep an eye out for any big major developments. Not too many fundamentals at the moment going on after the NFP, but you never know what's in store for the markets. And speaking of this kind of uptrend as well, we're looking on the dollar index, and if you can see dramatically, we were in this pretty much, well, we still kind of are at the moment in this bearish channel for the dollar index, but as you can see here, we are having more of a pickup now in this particular region here. So we're just waiting to see if we're going to hit the $103 mark once again. This will be more of a push on the dollar and a bit of a decline on gold as well. But obviously keep an eye out for the major resistance and support levels that we'll be looking at as well. And of course, we'll be updating you on our Telegram and YouTube channel if there's any major developments. But at the moment, for me, we're not really getting many signals on the RSI or the MACDs at the moment. This is pretty much consolidated in the sense that we didn't really get any higher highs in the sense of here as well. What we're still looking at the moment is this pickup in price action, having a slight correction at the moment, but expected to have another move higher. How high? Well, the $103 handle is something that we're having closely guarded for the next resistance point, but obviously this could actually be broken and we could start moving higher quite significantly as well. So like I said, keep an eye on gold, keep an eye on this 1930 handle that just keeps having this slight support at the moment, and we'll see if that gets broken and obviously what the next signal to the downside, if there is one, will be. So thank you very much for joining me today. As usual, this video will be posted on our Telegram and YouTube channel, and feel free to comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.